A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. As you know, my dear students and viewers, I had made first video and first kalma, and now today I'm making second video for second kalma. Recently I started new series of kalmas. Please must watch this video, and please, this is my humble request to all of those. Hamza Zabar Sheen Ash. This A sound will connect with the Sheen Sakina. After connected, the sound would be Ash. Ha Zabar Ha. This is the throttle letter. Dal Pesh Du. Ash Hadu. Hamza Zabar Lam. Al Lam Zabar. Alif Mad La. Allah. According to the rule, after Nun Sakina and other letter is Lam coming with tashdid sign. We will skip this Nun Sakina. We don't read. This Hamza will connect with the Lam Mushaddad directly. Allah. Hamza there. E Lam standing Zabar La. Ha Zabar Ha. Ilaha. Hamza there. Lam Il. Lam Zabar Lam Lal. Lam standing Zabar La. Ha Pish Hu. Illallahu. When there is a Zabar before Ism Jalalat, we will read with the tafkhim. The meaning of tafkhim: bold, heavy, strongly. You will read boldly. So, illallahu. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu. Wa zabar ha wah. This is the throttle letters. Huruf-e halkiya. They were 6 throttle letters. So, the ha is one of them. This waw will connect with ha. Wah. Dal zabar da. Wa zabar ha wah. Dal zabar da. Wah da. Ha. Standing page hu. Wahdahu. Lam zabar alif la. Wahdahu la. Sheen zabar sha. Ra zir yari. Shari. Kaf zabar ka. Sharika. This is the ya madda here. Lahu, lam zabar la, ha standing page hu, lahu, wa ashhadu, wa zabar wa, hamza zabar sheen ash, wa ash, ha zabar ha, dal page du, wa ashhadu, hamza zabar nun, an nun zabar na, anna. You make a gunna here. What is the gunna? To take the sound into your nose and hold noon sound for a moment. An. Mim pesh mu. Ha zabar mim. Ham. Mim pesh mu. Ha zabar mim. Ham. Mim zabar ma. Ham. You make a gunna here. Please keep in mind, Noon mushadda and Mim mushadda, you must make gunna on them. Anna Muhammadan. You make a izhar here because after tanween, throttle letter is coming. Ain zabar ba ab. This is the ba sakina letter, and this is the kalkala letter. Qutubu jaddin. They were 5 kalkala letters. When they have jazm sign, we make kalkala on them. So the ba is one of them. Ab. Duhu. Dal pesh du. Ha. Ulta pesh. Hu. Abduhu. Wa zabar wa, ra zabar ra, wa ra, sin pesh wa su, wa rasu, lam pesh lu, ha, standing pesh hu, wa rasuluhu. And when you stop at the last letter, ha, standing pesh, we will remove logically, and the last letter changed into ha sakina. Wa rasuluhu. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna मुहम्मदन अब्दुहु व रसूलुहु। मैं गवाही देता हूँ कि अल्लाह अज़्ज़ व जल के सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं, वो अकेला है, उसका कोई शरीक नहीं। और मैं गवाही देता हूँ कि बेशक मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाह अज़्ज़ व जल के खास बंदे और रसूल हैं। I bear witness that no one is worthy of worship but Allah, the one alone without partner, and I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and messenger. Youth. In his youth, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a very hard-working young man. He learned to do business from his uncle Abu Talib radiallahu ta'ala anhu. At first, he went with his uncle on business trips at the age of 12, but later he started trading on his own. The people of Makkah respected him. He believed in one Allah. He was loving and kind. He always kept his promise. He lived a simple life and hated pride. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam helped to restart the work of which took an active part in bringing about peace and unity among the tribes of Makkah. Killing, stealing, and harassing wasters was discouraged, while love and brotherhood was encouraged. The weak were looked after. Muhammad, please correct spell out. Muhammad Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also known as Sadiq, the truthful, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy. So thank you very much for watching this video. May Allah keep you always happy. May Allah succeed you in Deen Dunya and Akhirah. Allah Hafiz.